Hey guys, it's Kex here from PRISM+, and we are very happy to show you our brand new product. It's called the PRISM+Aura Smart Air Purifier, available in two colors, Space Grey, which we will be unboxing in a bit, and also the Alpine White. So what's so interesting about this air purifier is that it is aesthetic, efficient, and compact. The first thing you see is the manual, styrofoam. First, you see these safety tapes. Just remove them very gently. Open this up gently. Just one twist, and you can gently lift this up. First and foremost, you'll see that there's this box in here. This is your power cable, so don't throw it away. So it comes just like this, in black for the Space Grey, and it will be a white cable for the white air purifier. What's so interesting about the PRISM+Aura Smart Air Purifier filter right here is actually the HEPA H13 filter, and it comes with 3 filter defenses. The first layer is actually the pre-filter. So the pre-filter captures the bigger debris such as hair, very huge dust, or even like pet fur. Second layer, which is actually the HEPA H13 filter that eliminates 99.97% of contaminants such as allergens, bacteria, and viruses, things that are not visible in the air, which gets absorbed by the air purifier anyway. And then the last layer is actually what you can see here. Inside is actually black. This is made out of activated carbon, which will capture air pollutants such as smoke, unpleasant odors, and this poisonous gas called formaldehyde, which causes cancer. But with the Aura air purifier, you don't have to worry anymore because it absorbs all of that. So here comes the fun part. Let's set it up now. First and foremost, rest it on the table. What you want to take is this air filter. The top part is basically part with the hole. Insert very gently into the air purifier. You just twist it and make sure that it's stable. And once done, now you take the base. You should hear the click. This Aura air purifier is so compact, it's only 2.5 kg. I'm gonna demonstrate this on this white Aura air purifier so you can see better, is to connect this here. Once you hear the click, connect this to your main power outlet. Immediately, you're gonna see the face light up. It's so silent that you can't really hear it, but you know that it's operating because there's this light. It's only 30 dB. That is equivalent to a gentle breeze. A lot of people might think that this is where the air inlet is, but this is the air outlet. It pumps out clean filter air. All your impurities, all your bacteria, all your virus, all your germs, all your dust gets captured here, which is the air inlet. So here's how to tell the air quality around your room. So it uses infrared sensors to detect the air around it. The Aura air purifier has 3 different modes: happy phase, neutral phase, and sad phase. If it's happy, that means the air quality is good. If it's neutral, it's okay. And if it's bad, it's sad. So here's a trick to turning on and off your light. Just press and hold between the eyes to turn on the light, and vice versa. So here comes the interesting part. We're going to pair our smart app to the Aura air purifier right now. So first and foremost, download the PRISM+ Connect app on your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. Once done, you will have to create an account with PRISM+ to get it started. If you already own the PRISM+ Smart Aircon and Smart Oasis ceiling fan, you should already have this app. On your mobile device, add device. It gives you 3 options. Right now, we're testing the Aura, so here we go. Allow PRISM+ Connect to use your location, and this is the important part. You will need your Bluetooth to be turned on, so always allow your Bluetooth connection. Right now, what they want you to do is to reset the device. So here's how you reset the device. To tap and hold the area between the eyes until you hear 2 beeps. The air purifier enters the pairing mode once the eyes are blinking. So right now what I'm seeing is one active device, Aura White, which is the name that I decided to name my Aura Smart Air Purifier. And the outdoor quality right now says here PM 2.549. What I'm gonna do right now is to click into the Aura White, and it will take me to the next screen, which shows exactly the indicator of the air quality around me. And right now it's at 94%. So you know when you should change your filter. When it hits a critical level of between 0 to 10, that is when you should get yourself another filter change. In case you don't use this app often to check your filter health, you will always receive an alert from PRISM+ when it's time for filter change. There are a total of 4 different modes: auto, low, medium, high. So choose any mode you feel fit for your home. One quick tip about your Aura air purifier is to give it an interesting and easy to pronounce name, so you can easily use Google Assistant to give it voice commands such as, "Hey Google, turn on Aura White." One cool thing that the PRISM+Aura Smart Air Purifier offers is also the routine and timer setup. I can easily create routines right here on my phone. I want the Aura air purifier to turn on at 10 AM every morning and to turn off at 12 PM when I'm off at work. To repeat, every day on a high mode with the light turned on. Let's save this, and now I've successfully created my routine. Second thing to do on this PRISM+ Connect app is to create a timer. Let's create a timer of 5 minutes. So once the timer goes out, this Aura Smart Air Purifier would turn off as well. Simply press one button, just press one time in between its eyes to turn it off. And as it turns off, you'll see the power button. If you want to turn it back on, you just click one time on the power button. At the start of the video, we talked about how compact and aesthetic the PRISM+ Aura Smart Air Purifier is. Don't believe me? Here's brand X. Here's a size comparison of the PRISM+ Air Purifier and an unknown brand air purifier. You can easily tell the distinction in size. This will look very good and ideal in your bedrooms and smaller rooms. This can even cover areas such as the master bedroom of 146 square foot. As mentioned, there are two ways that will indicate it's time for air filter change. Number one, either on the PRISM+ Connect app. Number two, from the face of this air purifier. So let's change the air filter right now. First and foremost, you want to turn it off. I will turn off the master outlet as well. Plug it out, rest it horizontally, twist it until you hear the pop. Lift it out, and this is your disgusting air filter that you need to throw out. For the PRISM+ Aura Smart Air Purifier, you can very easily get your air filter changed on the PRISM+ store. So here's my new air filter. Insert gently, get the base, twist it until you hear a click. Put on the power. Once your Aura Air Purifier is turned on, here are the steps to reset your air filter. Step 1, turn off the power. Once the power is turned off, you will also want to switch off your mains. Now let's switch it off and wait for 5 seconds. We will turn it back on again. Before that, what you want to do is to reset, is to cover the hood. Close the hood manually, like this. And you want to press and hold the power button until you hear one beep. So once you hear the beep, you can just turn it on by simply pressing the power button. And you should see blinking eyes. So the blinking eyes indicate that this has been reset. Now we continue the pairing with the PRISM+ Connect app. Zero health will be at 0% right now on the app. What you want to do is to tap on the top where you can find the settings, and then go to tap on filter reset. Are you sure you want to reset your filter state? Yes, confirm. Once you have successfully reset the filter, go back to the page and you should see your filter health being at 100%. Now that the filter is reset, you can enjoy cleaner air at your house. For our Aura Smart Air Purifiers, it comes with a warranty of 1 year, and that means should anything happen to your air purifier, do contact our customer service and get your questions answered. So thank you guys once again for joining us here at PRISM+ YouTube channel. We hope you enjoy the Aura Air Purifier. Do send in any questions that haven't been addressed down below on the comment section, and give us a like if you like our video. Tell us also what products you'd like us to review, and we'll be back soon. This is Kex signing out.